Okay, now we're going to do our math today. Do you remember this word from yesterday? Subotize. Do you remember what subotize means? It means you can look at the dots and snap, say it. Okay, so subotize the dots. 2. Subotize the dots. 1. I bet you can probably do it before I can even snap. What? Why is there red and a blue? Oh, it doesn't make any difference. There's still how many dots? 2. Oh, another red? Red and blues. Subotize the dots. 3. Subotize the dots. 2. Subotize the dots. 3. Remember, when you subotize, you say it in a snap. But if you can't subotize it yet and you still have to count, that's okay. All right, let's do our patterns. Red car, pink butterfly, red car, pink butterfly. What's next? Green circle. No, Mrs. Kessler, it's pink butterfly. There's no green circle up there. How about this one? Green circle, purple triangle. Green circle, purple triangle. See if you can say it before I say it. Yellow square, blue star, yellow square, blue star, yellow square, blue star. Ooh, this last one's a tricky one. I think I can trick you. Green car, red car, green car, green car. All right. Do you remember yesterday we talked about the circle? And remember, the circle starts at the top and goes all the way around? And the circle doesn't have any corners or any straight sides. Today we're going to talk about the square. And a square has 4 sides, and all the sides are the same length. They're all the same size. And when we make a square, we go down across the bottom, up across the top. There are 4 corners on a square also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. All right, let's go to your binder. And let's trace some squares. I have to turn my page because I'm in my rhyming still. So turn the page. It's a beautiful house. Grab your highlighter because remember, when we have dotted lines, we get to use our highlighter. Let's trace the chimney square. Here we go. Down across the bottom, up across the top. Let's trace the whole big house. Down across the bottom, up across the top. Does it have to be absolutely perfect? Nope, but we do our best. Let's trace the outside of the window. Down across the bottom, up across the top. Let's trace the outside of the other window. Down across the bottom, up across the top. Now there are little window panes. So let's trace all the window panes. Remember, we go down, across, up, across. Down, across, up, across. Down, across, up, across. Down, across, up, across. You keep doing it. Are you making your square the right way? I hope so. All right, let's count how many squares we have. Well, don't forget our big one. 1. Then we have the outside 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 again? Like 12 circles yesterday? Are you kidding me? All right, so we make a 12. A 1 and a 2. That is 12. Now, if you want to color your picture, you can, but you don't have to, because we have one more math page to do. So turn the page, and you will need your scissors and your glue. And you don't even have to take this page out. We are just going to cut. Remember, in kindergarten, we only get one scrap. So notice how I started at the very bottom of the page. See that? And I'm going to cut all the way up to the top, because we don't have little piddly little scraps, because you make your teacher crazy. Okay? Now I cut all the way around. Notice how you move your thumb. Remember, we practiced that yesterday, or actually 2 days ago. Move your thumb. Look, I have one scrap, so I don't have a bunch of little papers to throw on the floor. And now you can cut your shapes apart. We have circles and we have squares. That's all we have today. Circles and squares. Circles and squares. All right? We are going to have to glue them in the right place. This says circles. This says squares. All right? So take your glue stick. And remember, we don't glue all over the paper. No, 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 no. We take a little paper, put some glue on it, and say what it is. Circle. Take another little paper, put some glue on it, say what it is. Square. Glue it under the word squares. Take another little paper, put some glue on it. What is it? Circle. You finish it, and then you get to do some shape boom cards, and then I'll see you one more time to do a story. See you soon.